What theater means to me? It's a hard question to answer, but it's the world to me. Theater has helped me in more ways than I could have ever imagined. It's become a part of my identity, and theater is a piece of me, and taking that away would mean that you take a piece of me too. In theater, I could be whoever I want. It's my own escape, my own universe into playing and understanding that our world is only the surface of what's out there. It's provided me with empathy and understanding why people act the way they do and why they react to certain things and may or may not react to others. It's provided me a voice where I was finally being heard, and it's a place where I learned to advocate for myself. From classes to self-identity and discovery, it's caused me tears, laughter, joy, and heartbreak, and that's only pushed me to grow as a person. It's given me an understanding of empathy and how important that is, and human connection. And without that, without people feeling that, and without people knowing that, there's no way that the world could ever be a better place. Theater changed my life in more ways than I could ever say, more words than I could ever write, and more than anyone could ever try to understand. It shaped my human connections and taught me more things that not only apply to working in theater environments, but in reality. It's taught me communication and listening. It's taught me analytical skills that I've applied in English classes and math classes. Without theater, I would not be sitting here right now. I would not have my writing published. I would not have built the countless friendships and relationships that I've built. I've had opportunities to work in professional settings. I'll never forget the day that I stepped foot onto my first stage. I might have only been a kid, but the way it felt, the way that feeling felt, I've carried on for the rest of my life. And to this day, here I am advocating for this and still doing the same thing. The way that theater connects people is something beyond what I could ever describe. If theater is taken away, so is my voice. So are our voices. City Council, please don't take away our theater education.